This is the job that we're doing today. Got a little bit of markings. See how much we can get up. Extremely nice house that's going to go on the market here shortly. Through Robinson's Property Management and Realty Company. Gonna clean this up. I got the fountain filling up, so it has a nice fountain in the corner. Stay tuned. We're about to get this pressure washing done. Gonna be here for a couple days. Let's knock it out. Don't realize how dirty tile, travertine, marble, when it's outside, how dirty it really gets until you clean it. Look at this shine. The grout lines are showing. On. It gets better. Look at this. Look at that concrete line. Look how crisp it is. This is like gum. Gum's really hard to come up. It also etches. The driveway is still dry. But hear me out. Want to be the cleanest property in the neighborhood? Give Green Home Pressure Washing a call. We want to help you out.